Hi there, my name is Darlan Pucci. My channel is Casa Di Pucci. This is Piper. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a pancetta. On the end of this video I'm gonna show you step by step. On the end of this video I'm gonna try pancetta. Coming up. Pancetta without the skin, the pork skin. Now I'm gonna wait and calculate the curing blend. Let's go ahead and mix the curing blend. Okay, after I mix the curing blend, I'm gonna rub into the meat, all sides, and then I'm gonna put in a zip lock bag and keep in the fridge for 1 week. Now I place in the fridge. Every day I flip over and massage the meat. I'm back. This one is the pancetta without the skin. Was curing for 7 days in the fridge. Now I'm gonna wash in running water. I'm gonna roll up and I'm gonna place in the curing chamber. Pancetta. All right, I already rolled the pancetta. Now I'm gonna wait and I'm gonna put in the fermentation chamber until it loses around 35 to 40%. Okay, I wait my pancetta. Now I'm gonna place in the maturation chamber. Gonna stay here until loses around 40%. Temperature is 56 Fahrenheit and humidity is 75%. Hi there, we are back. I use my electric slicer to slice paper thin. That's the way it's supposed to be. And that's the results. Wasn't perfect, there's a little gap there. Should tie in a better way. But on the middle way, the gap disappeared, so I was able to slice the whole thing. Let's try. Very flavorful. I'm gonna choose a little piece with not much fat to give it to Piper. Pancetta. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.